Cough medicine, Cameron.
Ew.
You gotta drink it. Come back. Go drink it. Come on. Drink it. You gotta drink it, man. Come on. It's the only way. Big drink, buddy. Come on. What do you think of it, buddy? Okay, finish up. Let me see. Come on, man. You still got a lot to go. Drink it, baby. Come on. We gotta go to bed. Big gulp, big gulp. Get it all in your tummy. Almost there. Where are you going? Come on back. You got one more sip. How does it taste?
Terrible.
Come on, one more sip, big boy. One more sip and you're done. Almost. You got a little bit more. Come on. Come on, man. You got this.
I can't do this.
It's one more sip. It's one more sip, man. You got this. It says it's grape flavor. Do you taste the grape?
No.
No?
No, and I don't like it. Oh.
Really? I'm sorry. It's supposed to really help. One more sip. Come on. Come on, baby. One more sip. Did you get it? Big boy. Good job. High five?
Like it. Oh.
I'm so sorry. Give me a high five. You finished. Good job. I love you.